This is 5 minutes after I apply the mask, so I cannot speak well because the mask is starting to dry. I feel a lot of tightness on this area, and as you can see, there's a lot of cracks. I saw on Amazon that if you see the cracks, it means that the skin needs more hydration. So the reason why I'm using this mask is because I've been seeing a lot of whiteheads, is that whiteheads or sebum on my pore area because of using the chemical sunscreen. So recently I added a new product in my routine, and it's a chemical sunscreen because based on my research that chemical sunscreen helps cover your face from melasma, from the discoloration. But the downside is I'm getting a lot of pimples. I had it here and here and here. The feeling is like the mask is sucking up my skin. That's it. So that is basically the reason why I also brush the product upwards, because I'm expecting this effect. So while waiting for this to dry, I'm going to start preparing my lunch. Now it's time to remove the mask. It's so dry. Not sure if you can see me, but this mask is very hard to remove, so I decided to get the cotton to help me scrape out the mask. Here's how my face looks like. I still have the whiteheads around this area because of using the sunscreen, and after removing the mask my face turned red, maybe because of using the cotton and I was trying to scrape out the mask. I think that is why. But my skin is soft. Yeah, it's really soft. Look at the mess I made. It's quite messy. Hello, I'm back. I'm using my front camera and my face is still red and my neck is still red. But the good thing is I'm not experiencing any irritations at all, only the redness, and let's see if it will subside after an hour. So I'll go back in preparing my lunch because it's almost 12 noon.